Now some big information coming in. The Delhi court accepts CBI charge sheet which gave clean sheet to former CBI Special Director Rakesh Asthana. The case involved corruption allegations against the then Special Director Rakesh Asthana, DSP Devendra Kumar and others. It arose out of Satish Babu Sana's allegations that Rakesh Asthana received a bribe of rupees 2 crores through middleman Manoj Prasad in exchange for a clean sheet to Sana in an investigation in the case relating to a meat trader, Moin Qureshi. Here is the Delhi court there accepting the CBI charge sheet which gave Asthana a clean sheet. Let's quickly go over to Manisha joining us on phone line. Manisha, here we're looking at the Delhi court there accepting the CBI charge sheet which has given a clean sheet to the CBI Special Director Rakesh Asthana. This involves corruption allegations around him.
Well, Nabila, the hearing in the court today, in the Rouse Avenue Special Court today, was on taking cognizance of the charge sheet that's been filed. Remember, the charge sheet has given a clean sheet to Rakesh Asthana. The CBI has said that there is no material evidence against him or the former DSP Devendra Kumar in the Manoj Prasad bribery case. Now, what the court has summoned the 3 accused who were named by the CBI in this case that raises allegations of bribery against senior officials. Now, the officials have not yet been identified, but the court has taken note of the CBI's argument that if at any further time many material evidence is found against public servants, then they will also they could also be summoned. So a question had been asked last time in the hearing by the court that who are the people who were allegedly bribed. But right now, the CBI has said that they have found no material evidence against Rakesh Asthana or Devendra Kumar or any other person. And in fact, Satish Sana had given 2 statements. Remember, this entire controversy had broken out a couple of years ago when Satish Sana, in one statement, named former CBI Director Alok Kumar and in one statement named former CBI number 2 Rakesh Asthana. And this led to a huge controversy in the CBI on the way this matter, this entire situation was being investigated.
Right. This is the CBI versus CBI case. Thank you, Manisha, there for joining us with this detail. Delhi court there taking cognizance of the clean sheet given by the CBI.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.